In today's video review, we're going to be reviewing the Mini 319 massager. This is for the relief of minor pain and itches. It is a portable massager. You can use it anywhere, anytime, waterproof design, and you can use it in damp or watery environment. Maybe someplace such as the shower. I'm not 100% sure about that because it says waterproof design used in damp environment. I'm not sure what it exactly means. So this is going to be an honest review. I'm not getting paid. I didn't get this for free. I purchased this with my own cash. So this is something that you want to see, those kind of reviews, because they're honest. Now let me open this up. And I purchased this all by myself, and I got it delivered right to me in this box. So that's how it actually looks like. So when you take this out, and I already took it out before, so I put the batteries right inside of all those free massagers. So we're going to be checking this out and seeing how this actually works and if you should actually get one. So first off, the job for you is to get it out of this box. Just did. Got out of the box, and the box itself is plastic, and you get this thing. There's a user's manual right here, and I hate reading manuals, so I'm not gonna bore you out with the manual. Nobody needs that. And here it is, the massager itself. Let's zoom in. So it comes in with this nice display rack right here that you can see. That's how it actually looks like, the display rack. So you can put them right here when you're not using them, and then when you're using them, you can take them out. So there's a room for each of and every one of those. Although this is kind of cool, you would think this is rechargeable. That's the only thing it's really missing, the rechargeable batteries to it. So here are the toys that you get with your purchase. Let's get them all out. This does look kind of nice. It is plastic, by the way. Hollow. That's how it actually looks like. I like the silver core to this plate. It looks more sophisticated. Now we have 3 different massagers that we are getting for the money. And my favorite is this one. Now I'm gonna be showing you how to take them apart, put the batteries in there, and how to use them. So the first one is this guy right here. We're going to be reviewing this one. So let's put those a little bit to the side because the focus is going to be on this dude right here. There we go, zoom in. This is how it actually looks like. You open this up. It opens pretty easy. The batteries go right here, and we need batteries. The great thing about this massaging tool is it does come with the batteries all included. That is awesome. So you don't have to pay extra for the batteries because they are already included in the purchase. So this one takes 2. Make sure you put them the correct way in. It shows the diagram right in here how you can actually put this in correctly. You put it in the wrong way, nothing will happen. It just won't work. Let's put this in. Snap this back together. Now one of the great thing about this is just the way it snaps. The water, it is resistant to it, so it's not going to get in unless there is a hole in there. And this one is really pushing it, so you can see right here. So I pushed it more in, and now it should be more sealed. So if you do get this wet, it should still be functional because that's what it says. It is waterproof in damp environment or in wet surfaces such as maybe bathtub or maybe the shower. So you turn this on, you press on this, it's moving by itself, by the way. It's kind of cool. It is not very strong because there's only 2 batteries in it, but then again, every one of those only takes 2 batteries. But it's great for a handy massage. So you're just moving it up on your hand like this, and it's gonna massage you as well. So you're getting double vibration. Getting vibration from this, and it doesn't like being backwards, that's for sure. Look at this. This is interesting. So you open this up, and if it has any water, it will leak out of it. That's kind of cool. So you do it like this. And I turn it off. Let's try it again. It is making some kind of a noise. Now it stopped. Maybe it's supposed to do that. Anyway, it is a very nice unit. So what it really does is you put stuff in here, and you can put some soap in here, and then you can massage yourself in the shower like this. It's more fun when this thing is actually vibrating. This is pretty soft too. And what I like about the button is like it is one of those new buttons that in the vehicles and in computers everywhere else, you just press on it, turns on, press on it, turns off. So that's number one. So if you like spiky stuff, this one is for you. Number two is this one right here. You open it up from the top. There's two compartments for batteries. So let's go and load the batteries in here too and get this to work. Batteries are included in the purchase, which is kind of handy and good. You don't want to pay extra for batteries. And you close it like this. So if you open it up, push it in. It is kind of hard to open it. Same thing for this one right here. It says right here to open, and you gotta really push this. This one is tough to open actually. Like the other two, this one is super hard to open. I just wanted to show you how it opens. This guy is super tough. There we go, I got it to open. That's one thing about this, is that it requires a lot of power to open it up. This specific one. It is just this loop right here. Now, maybe I wasn't opening it correctly. Let's try it again. Maybe you have to let the pressure out before you open it. Duh, wasn't thinking about that. Maybe that's the key. Who knows? Didn't read the manual. My fault. Anyway, let's go back to this one right here. Now, this one, same deal. Put this on, vibrates. Now, this feels actually really good. But it vibrating, it feels plain. But with it vibrating, it feels actually very nice on your skin. What you do here is you put some kind of oil on this, or you dip it in oil, or butter, or whatever you want. And then you put this on yourself, and it's just gonna spread it around as you're moving it, and it massages different areas of your body. So that's the cool thing about this. This is actually very handy. I like the how you can actually grab this and use it. Very, very handy to use. You can even use it with 2 fingers or hand. And actually this is my second favorite one. This will be my least favorite, but it's all about which one you like the most. This one is more like soap. You put soap on here and you take a shower with this. Now the last one is the Gizmo Robot. This is actually my favorite one here. So it's supposed to be waterproof. There was only 2 batteries in here, which is too bad, because if we had 3 batteries, this would be like super powerful. Put it right here and let it spin. That by itself is worth the purchase price of this whole product. For real. This is just cool. When you press on this, it gives you a vibration massage. But also the noise is not too bad, which is good. Because if you take this to a place, like a public place, You don't want to have too much noise. So listen to the noise on this one. Compare it to this guy. This one is even more quiet, by the way. You can't hardly hear it. And this dude right here. This is the most quietest one. You can't even hear it at all. Which means that if you are taking it in a portable location, those two, you can get it and take it anywhere, even your job, and nobody is going to really hear it. I don't know if it's a good idea, but you can take it. Now, on the other hand, this guy right here is and makes the most noise. So let's do that. I'm telling you, I'm in love how it spins. Now, if you want to open it, it's pretty easy to open this guy. Right here, you just go, move it on this side right there, just a little bit, right here, and then you push it up, and it opens. Do the same thing to close it as well. Now it's closed. Easy open and easy close. You don't need to remove anything to get it out. There is no screws that you have to bother with, and this one seems to be very watertight. So when you turn it on, you can massage individual points, or massage 3 different points at the same time. You can hold it in your hand and it's going to massage you. I just like the futuristic look to it, and you can grab it pretty easily. Even if you have small or big hands, it doesn't matter. And really, this one is my favorite one, and I have saved it the best for last. So overall, you're getting a bunch of nice tools right here for the money. You get 3 different tools with about 10 bucks worth of batteries included in here. And it looks really nice as a gift as well. So if you're gonna give this as a gift, this looks kind of cool because it gives it the display look to it, and it comes in a very nice gift box also. Overall, I think the design is really cool. I really wish there was only one here. I would rather just purchase this dude right here and not get those two, because this one is my favorite. On the other hand, those are kind of cool as well. I might just really auction off those two on eBay just to keep this dude right here because I like him so much. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, check out the rest of the videos on my channel, and there should be a link right below where you can purchase your own copy. Usually it is from Amazon. Anyway, have a great day. Make sure you rate my video, give it a thumbs up, and put any comments right below about this video, what you think of it, and make sure to join my channel so you can view other videos and reviews as well. Honest reviews, real reviews by myself, and I'm not getting paid for this or any compensation whatsoever, except for people buying it using the link right below.